In this video, I will compare Ticketleap versus Eventbrite. Ticketleap is an online ticketing platform that allows event organizers to create, promote, and sell tickets for various events such as concerts, conferences, festivals, and more. Eventbrite is also a platform that allows users to discover and create events. It has tools provided for event organizers to promote their events, sell, and manage registrations. Eventbrite is popular among event organizers and attendees for its user-friendly interface and very comprehensive event management features. It provides tools for event management, sales, attendee communication, and tracking. Users can browse a wide range of events such as concerts, conferences, festivals, and more, and purchase tickets or register for free events through Eventbrite. Ticketleap aims to simplify the process of event planning and ticketing for both organizers and attendees. Event organizers can create and customize event listings on Eventbrite. On Ticketleap, organizers can easily create and customize event pages with details, such as event description, date, time, location, ticket types, pricing, and seating options. Organizers can even add event details such as date, time, location, description, ticket types, and event images on Eventbrite. Ticketleap provides a user-friendly interface for selling tickets online. Eventbrite provides tools for ticketing and registration management. Organizers can set up ticket prices, discounts, early bird offers, promo codes, and capacity limits. Attendees can purchase tickets securely through the Ticketleap website or mobile app. Attendees can easily purchase tickets or register for free events through Eventbrite's online platform or mobile app. The platform offers tools for event promotion, including social media integration, email marketing, and promotional codes to attract more attendees. Eventbrite offers marketing and promotional tools to help organizers reach a larger audience. Organizers can manage attendee information, track ticket sales, send event updates and notifications, and check in attendees at the event using Ticketleap's event management dashboard and mobile app. Organizers can manage attendee information, send event updates and notifications, check in attendees using the Eventbrite Organizer app or scanning QR codes, and gather feedback through post-event surveys. Ticketleap provides analytics and reporting features to help organizers track ticket sales, monitor attendee demographics, and evaluate the success of their events. Eventbrite handles payment processing for ticket sales, offering secure payment options for attendees and payout options for organizers. Ticketleap offers customer support to assist organizers and attendees with any questions or issues related to ticketing, event setup, or payments. Eventbrite integrates with other platforms and tools, such as Facebook, Instagram, MailChimp, Salesforce, and more to streamline event promotion, ticket sales, and attendee management. Here is some positive feedback on Ticketleap. Many users appreciate Ticketleap's intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it simple for both organizers and attendees to navigate the platform. Ticketleap provides good customer support, with responsive assistance for organizers and attendees, addressing questions, issues, and technical support promptly. Now it is time to discuss positive feedback on Eventbrite. Many users appreciate Eventbrite's intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it simple for both event organizers and attendees to navigate the platform. The secure payment processing system on Event for its ease of use and multiple payment options, making it convenient for attendees to purchase tickets. Coming towards negative feedback. Some users find Ticketleap's pricing structure to be on the higher side compared to other ticketing platforms, especially for smaller events or organizations with limited budgets. While Ticketleap has a mobile app for organizers and attendees, some users have reported issues with app performance, functionality, or user experience, leading to frustration. Coming towards negative feedback of Eventbrite, some users have raised concerns about Eventbrite's fees, including transaction fees and service fees, which can impact both organizers and attendees. Changes in Eventbrite's policies, such as refund policies or terms of service updates, have occasionally led to dissatisfaction among users, particularly if they feel the changes negatively impact their event experience.